The keto diet has been around since the 1920s, but over the past few years it has made quite a big splash in the health and wellness industry, and for good reason. Many studies show that eating a high-fat, low-carb diet can lead to increased energy levels, balance blood sugars, promote fat loss. The list goes on. We have 10 tips to make keto part of your everyday life. Number 1. Keto strips. Ketone strips provide a fast, convenient way of testing urine for the presence and concentration of ketones. Number 2. Plan your meals. Have some keto snacks ready to rock, like hard-boiled eggs, chopped vegetables, or Alpha Lipid Ultra Diet 2. Make sure you prep and plan your meals in advance to stay on track. Number 3. Drink plenty of water. We need to pay extra attention when on a keto program because your body will excrete more water when there are no carbs present. We want to aim for at least 2 liters of water per day. Number 4. Improve gut health. Having a healthy, diverse ecosystem is crucial for helping your body to absorb fat, among other health benefits. Number 5. Stay regular. There are many ways to include fiber in your diet. Stick to low-carb, non-starchy vegetables daily and include our keto-friendly Fiber Max, which is made up of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Number 6. Don't limit yourself. Diet foods don't have to taste bad or be boring. We have recipes and meal plans online. You'll be surprised by what is on the menu. Number 7. Don't starve yourself. High-fat foods are more satiating, so you will actually end up naturally eating less as they keep you fuller for longer. Number 8. Track progress the right way. We should weigh ourselves no more than once per week and track our body measurements monthly. By tracking your progress, it motivates you to succeed. Number 9. This is a lifestyle, not a diet. A lifestyle doesn't restrict you, cut calories or have an end date. Make keto a way of life and make your main meals fast, simple and delicious. Number 10. Lead by example. Focus on yourself and your progress. Once they see your health improving and your weight falling off, they'll get curious. For more information about this, read our article on our blog page and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.